introduce you to Zinnia, impound number A4379426. Zinnia is a striking 10-month-old spayed female brown Pitbull mix. She was brought to the Downey shelter on December 23rd as an owner surrender because the previous owner had too many animals. Weighing 39.5 pounds, Zinnia has puppy energy, and she would enjoy long walks and lots of playtime. She gets along well with other dogs. She's probably good with older children. She's very affectionate and loves attention, especially getting belly rubs. She's very eager to please and walks okay on a leash. We're thinking that just with a little bit more training, she'll be walking perfectly in no time. Zinnia will be an ideal indoor pet for an active individual or family with older children. Please come down to the Downey shelter and meet Zinnia today.